Hey everyone, today we're going to take a look at this. This is the BlackWeb Samsung Galaxy Note 9 for the Galaxy Note 9 screen protector, curved glass screen protector with impact technology. BlackWeb is Walmart brand. I saw this at Walmart when I was looking for some camera bags for the new camera that I got. So this video is going to be also one of the first demo videos that you will see on how the quality is of the Yi mirrorless camera that I just reviewed earlier. So right now I am doing this with the Note 9, and then once these tempered glass are installed onto the Note, it'll be done on the Yi mirrorless M1 mirrorless camera. So right now it's on the Note, and when it gets to the Yi mirrorless camera, you guys should know because the Note will be in front of the camera, not behind the camera like right now. So let's just take this out. And the girl at Walmart said that it came with two screen protectors, and it also has a guide tray to make installation easier. So let's see if that's true. And this is $14.95 at Walmart. You can pick it up when you go to Walmart. If it's any good, we'll see. It says it's let's go to the back here first and read this. So it says curved glass screen protector with impact guard technology with up to 30% reduction in breakage, anti-fingerprint, case friendly. We'll find out because my ex Doria has a very thick front lip on that case, the ex Doria case, and right here is their impact guard technology, so you can pause that and read it for yourself. And it says 9H of hardness. That's not CGI, folks. That's 9H hardness. And right there from 1 to 9 and then 10, 9 is right here, so it's pretty hard. All right, so it came in the tray, looks like. And how do I take out this? How do I take it out of the tray? Okay, here we go. All right. Okay, so here's your instructions. Here's the guide tray. And what else do we get? We get this little sticker to get lint out of the phone. You got your screen cleaner wipe. Looks like microfiber wipe, I guess. And yeah. It looks like you get the wipes, and you should get some alcohol in here too. There should be. Let me open this up. You should get alcohol wipes in there too. Every screen protector, tempered glass screen protector I've got came with the alcohol wipes. Yeah, here it is. Alcohol wipe, and you get your microfiber cloth. And then you have your screen protector, and it's one screen protector. The girl said it was two. It's just one, but that's okay. It's $14. I've seen some on Amazon that were like $10, $14 for like two. This is just a one. She said it was two. Liar. Anyways, so that is all you get in the box. So I will install this in the bathroom like I usually do. I try to install it. The reason why I've been installing all of my cases, I don't know where I watched that video on, but I install all the tempered glass or the screen protectors inside the bathroom. I turn up the shower to hot and let it run so that there will be no lint in the air, and then I install it. So I won't be able to film that for you because it's going to be foggy. It might be a little foggy in the bathroom. So I will come back when the case is fully installed. Some other people might do it for the camera, for on camera, but I don't. I'm very OCD, and I like to make sure there's no lint. So I usually install it in the bathroom. So I'll be right back. And so this is the first part. The second part will be done on the Lumix. Right now it is on the Note 9. Okay, so we're back. So this has got to be one of the easiest installations I have ever done on any of my Note phones with any tempered glass screen protector, and that is because of that guide tray. So here is the BlackWeb screen protector installed, and you can't even tell, at least on this camera, that it's on. And like I said, with this guide tray right there, it made installation super easy. All you do is put it on your phone like so, and then line up the top of those top parts right there, like the little, like say a notch on the tray, with the top of the screen protector, and then just go down from there, like line up the tops and then start putting it from top to bottom, installing it from top to bottom. So, and before you or after you install, you want to, so we're going to go to settings, advanced features right here, click that, and then scroll to the bottom where it says touch sensitivity, and you turn that on. I already had it on from a previous screen protector that I got, that was installed with another case that you guys saw in the previous video. If you didn't, I'll put a link in on the bottom. I can't remember the name of the case. So as you can see, I'm still having some focusing issues with this new camera that I haven't fixed yet with the firmware. And as you can see there, it doesn't look like there's any screen protector on, and I don't see any rainbowing effect like there was on my previous screen protector. Maybe a little bit in the middle right there, and there's no, it's very resistant to fingerprints and smudges, so it does have a better oleophobic coating than my other tempered glass screen protector that I got for free with one of the cases that I got. And now we're going to find out just how case friendly it is, because this Doria case has a very fat front lip to protect the screen from drops from the front, and also from laying your phone down on the front from scratches. So we're going to compare the Doria case real quick with my other clear case. This is the Rinky Fusion, and as you can see, or probably not see because it's a little blurry, the lip on this Doria is so much wider, or so much fatter than the front lip of the of this Rinky case. As you can see here, as I zoom in, it's so much thicker. So if the phone can fit inside of the Doria case without the screen protector getting in the way or cracking again like what happened before, then this is a very case-friendly screen protector. So let's do the install. First, I'm going to wipe it down. So I'm going to give my Note 9 a good wipe down, just to make sure there isn't any lint that'll get inside of between the case and the phone, because that's going to really bug me if it does. And here we go. I'm going from edge to edge, as you can see, and it's the Doria is one of the tighter fits, but it's snapped into place, and no problems at all. No problem with screen sensitivity. Everything is working as good as planned. And why is it so blurry right now? It's not focusing on me, it's focusing on the background instead. So here we're testing out the front cameras, making sure there's no problems with the sensors in the camera from the screen protector, and everything is good. Everything is good except for my Yi not focusing fast enough on the subject. So I'm going to have to fix that with that new firmware upgrade. Also, I am using the Viltrox LED on top of the camera, and that's what's making this color look a little different from what I had with the Note 9, where it was just my overhead lights, my studio lights. So next time I'm gonna just keep it even with the lighting. So that is it. This is the BlackWeb curved glass screen protector with impact guard technology. You can get it at Walmart for $14.95, and I highly recommend it. It's good. Other than that, don't let the girls at Walmart fool you thinking that there's two screen protectors inside the box. There's only one. But with that guide tray, it makes installation super easy, and it looks good. You don't even look like you have a screen protector on, and it's just like your own phone screen itself, but with better smudge and fingerprint resistance. So that is it. Again, this is the BlackWeb curved glass screen protector with impact guard technology. You can get it at Walmart for $14.95. So pick one up today whenever you're in Walmart. So that is it. Everybody, take care. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.